Hey folks, the Desert Artist here. I am in the middle of taking apart an old, I guess it would be a granite countertop install stainless steel high dollar stove. It's only got a few parts that are usable in it, because you know how I like to take stuff apart to use in the sculptures. Well, there's one part in here where it's really gnarly. You see, here's the back side of the stove. There's my garbage pit. So here's what the stove looked like. Right? I wanted to use those cool little metal daily boppers right there. I wanted to use them, but I can't. These things in here are like frozen solid. Right? So they probably pressed this in here. If you look real close, like right here, you can see it's got a little wing in there that, well, I had to cut and twist and try and just to get this one, and it was there like this, and I had to cut it off. I'm gonna see if I can pound that clear. There's a two separate metals right there. I'm going to see if I can pound that one down and pound it out. And if it works, I'm going to go ahead and get this one and that one and all that work for these little aluminum or stainless steel or whatever they are. They're cool and I like them. So I'm going to get them. I don't care what it takes. Ooh. Hey, I'll upload the progress later. I've been busy with stuff. It just never ended. It comes and it goes, and oh, there's another flood right there. Quick, build an ark. Right. So, here we are. Out here sweating, but it's a nice. It's a freaking hot day. I got a sunburn mowing the lawn. Check that out. I got a farmer tan going on. Yep. So, here we are. Yeehaw. You guys have a great day. Be safe. I'm sorry. I've been so slacking on uploading stuff.